Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaslena. Today I'm going to be working on this halo cut crease. Let me know what you guys are thinking already about this look from the previews. I'll see you guys in the video. So I just want to give myself a big pat on the back because I feel like I've been getting so much better with my makeup application. Shout out to all my other YouTube girls out there who have been working hard and aiming to teach us some things. So I want to give a big shout out to B. Marie because I absolutely love that girl. I've been watching her for some time now and she's definitely helped me to step my makeup game up. There's also another girl, makeup by, I'm not sure, shit, I'm forgetting her damn name. But I'm gonna go ahead and list or put it down somewhere in the description bar. She's a new YouTuber, but she's really, really good. And she's giving out a lot of good tips. You guys, oh my gosh, so what do I have to do for Juvia's Place to come out with eyeshadow pots? Like, for real. I really, really need like 10,000 of the orange and the yellow shade. Comment below if you agree. I also want to give a big shout out to BH Cosmetics on their Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Like, that palette is being slept on. You guys don't even understand the pigmentation from basically all of the shadows is amazing. All I'm wishing is that they came out with bigger pots for the eyeshadow instead of those tiny little dime size amounts. Alright guys, so this is the end of the eye portion. I'm going to put my foundation on and I will be right back for you guys. You guys can see the completed look. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. What do you guys think about my sunset halo eye? So I'm going to call this series In Living Color because I love that show. And if you guys are not old enough to have known, please go and I think it's on Hulu, if I'm not mistaken. But go ahead and find it and watch it. It's hilarious. It has a lot of great actors that you know and love now. But it's going to be called In Living Color series. So I'm going to be doing a lot of colorful eye looks for the remainder of the summer. And I'm also going to give you guys some smoky things as well, but you'll just have to stay tuned to see when I upload those. So if you guys really enjoyed this quick halo eye tutorial, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more. And if you liked it or loved it, go ahead and tell your friends, tell your sister, tell your mama, your cousin, your aunties, and all that. Dis tout famille, okay? Please, for all my Haitians, alright? I'll dis tout d'amour. Papa ou maman, sœur, frère. Okay, guys? So, cousin, cousine, you know? Anyways, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate the support. You guys don't understand how much it means to me. That you guys love the content that I'm producing. I just want to keep the positivity going, and let's get to 200k subscribers by the end of the year. That's pretty big, but I know that that's doable because anything is possible in Jesus' name. Okay, so guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, it's just Lena. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Hey guys, it's just Lena. Thank you so much for coming back and watching Halo Cut Crease.